Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about the Kniphofia. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. It looks like an upside down burning bud. To me, well, it's not very, it doesn't bloom as much as a burning bud, but the colors, as you can see, they are the same. But it's kind of shaped like a Romanesco type of plant. It is a mythical seed, and the price floor value of it is 99,000 shekels. The average value is 110,000 shekels. Here, I'm just going to collect the Kniphofia, and let's sell this to know the kind of price of it. I'm gonna sell this. See, it's around 150,000 shekels. For it's like the bigger plant that costs that much. So yeah, that is the Kniphofia. Oh my gosh, that's very hard to pronounce. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.